Alright, today let's understand about Microsoft Fabric Workspace. Think of Microsoft Fabric as a big data factory. It's like a very big factory of data, full of data. And the Spark Workspace is its powerful engine room. Here, engineers use Spark notebooks to write code in Python, SQL or Scala, and Spark automatically scales the compute to process huge datasets stored in one lake. When tasks need to run on schedule, job definitions act like automated machines that keep the workflows moving without manual effort. By following the best practices like partitioning data, securing access, and monitoring jobs, we ensure the engine runs smoothly and delivers clean, optimized data for analytics and machine learning. I hope you got the concept. Let's meet in our next lecture.